In this video we are going to create an expert advisor that uses 3 exponential moving averages to create buy and sell signals. So let's see how we can do that with MQL5.
In this video, we are going to create an expert advisor that uses 3 exponential moving averages EMA to generate buy and sell signals. Let's see how we can do that. First, we start Metaeditor by clicking on the little icon or pressing F4. We include the Trade.mqh library to use trading functions. We create an instance of the CTrade class named Trade. In the OnTick function, we calculate the ask price by using the SymbolInfoDouble function with the symbol ask parameter and normalize it to the number of digits for the current symbol. Similarly, we calculate the bid price using the symbol bid parameter. We create an array named PriceInfo of type MqlRates to store price data. We set this array to be sorted from the current candle downwards using ArraySetAsSeries. We fill the PriceInfo array with price data by calling the CopyRates function, which copies data for the current symbol and period, starting from the current candle and copying data for 3 candles. We create a string variable named signal to store our trading signal. We create 3 arrays named EMA10 array, EMA50 array, and EMA100 array to store the values of 3 EMAs. We define the EMA10 by calling the IMA function with a period of 10, no shift, mode EMA, and price close. Similarly, we define EMA50 and EMA100 with periods of 50 and 100, respectively. We set the EMA arrays to be sorted from the current candle downwards using ArraySetAsSeries. We fill the EMA arrays with price data by calling the CopyRates function for each EMA definition, copying data for the last 10 candles. We generate a buy signal if the value of EMA10 is greater than EMA50 and EMA50 is greater than EMA100. We set the signal variable to buy in this case. We generate a sell signal if the value of EMA10 is less than EMA50 and EM50 is less than EMA100. We set the signal variable to sell in this case. If the signal is sell and there are no open positions, we sell 10 microlots by calling the trade sell function with a volume of 0.1, the current bid price, no stop loss, and a take profit set to 150 points below the bid price. If the signal is buy and there are no open positions, we buy 10 microlots by calling the trade buy function with a volume of 0.10, the current ask price, no stop loss, and a take profit set to 150 points above the ask price. We create a chart output to display the current signal by using the comment function. At the end, we press F7 to compile the code. If this was too fast for you, or if you don't understand what all the code is doing, you may want to check out the premium course on our website or watch one of the basic videos first. If the compilation works, we go back to Metaeditor by pressing F4 or clicking on the icon. Back in Metaeditor, we press Ctrl and R to start the strategy tester, pick the expert advisor that we have just created, enable the visual mode, and start a strategy test. We should see the expert advisor on the chart. If you are already a premium course member and have an idea for a video like this one, you can send us an email. In this video, we have learned how to create an expert advisor that uses 3 EMAs to generate buy and sell signals with just a few lines of MQL code. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
Okay, I think by now you should see the exponential moving averages on your chart. I hope everything worked out for you. If this was too fast for you, or if you have no idea what the code is doing, maybe the premium course on our website might be interesting for you. For now I say thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.